Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, oh my goodness, Hazel, you're gonna be squeaking that toy. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys a project share of something that I made with this beautiful, simple vintage Seas paper. Oh my gosh, I feel like I can't hear myself talk. From Country Craft Creations for my guest design team project. So this paper is so beautiful. I love the nautical theme of this paper, and I actually don't mind that this is vintagey, like vintagey. Well, I think what I like that about it, like I don't mind that it's vintage because the papers aren't like browned. You know, when they do like the fake browning and stuff, like, and just even real browning, like that's what I think I don't like about vintage, but like this is beautiful. It doesn't have that. So if you guys want to see what I created, stay tuned. I'm also going to link below the video where I actually unboxed this and showed you guys every single paper from this collection. So I'll link that in the description box below so you guys could check that out from my haul video for my guest design team project for Country Craft Creations. And now let's get started. I'll show you guys what I made. So I made a traveler's notebook, and I think this just turned out so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, guys, I love how it turned out. So this is like, I don't really know what the sizing is on the outside. I know my notebooks are 4x6. The sizing is probably a little bit bigger than that. And I have my faux stitching all around. Not my faux stitching, this is real stitching. I stitch on paper. That's my real gold stitching. I decorated with some stickers from the collection here, and I threw in some enamel dots. I also made this super cute dangle charm here. So this is what that looks like. I added this little starfish, just some colors that go with the collection, so mostly blues and reds here. Then on the back, it just looks like this with my handmade kind of logo thing. The elastic closure, and this has 2 colors of seam binding that also just match the collection. So you have like a darker red and a blue. So when you open this up, this is what it looks like. So here's the inside. I added another pocket here and a cut apart from the collection, and then I used some stickers from the collection here as well, just to get in like a phrase here and a little heart to tie that in. Then here I put another sticker that says time to unwind, and here are all the notebooks. Like I said, they're 4x6 size, and they each have a pocket on the front and the back of each notebook, so perfect to do some journaling. Here I have a star paper clip and another cut apart here that says high tides and good vibes. So that just lives here. More pockets. Here's the second notebook and pocket again. Then here is another one, except that this one is actually a folder. I put some stickers here that say set sail and refuse to sink. And then this white strip here is on both sides. And this is actually Tyvek because I find that with the folders, they will come apart if you don't reinforce them with Tyvek. So I do that to all of my folders. You open this up, you have the pockets on both sides and top loading pockets on both sides as well, where these little notches are. So on one side, I put another cut apart from the collection, and then I have like a pull out tag. Just use a scrap from the collection that I had left over, even though it worked out really well and it's a lighthouse. But I just used a scrap that I had to make the little tag. So there's that. Then this flips, looks like that. And then here's the last notebook. Here I have an anchor paper clip, super cute anchor. And then I have these little glassine bags that I decorated with some stickers also. And you could put some goodies in here or another note or something or whatever. And then here's another pocket and pocket. And I know some of you guys are going to ask, I don't have a tutorial on this. It's not a tutorial by me. I did follow a tutorial by Lyric Lover Crafts. So I will have her video linked down below in case you guys want to make it. That's where you'll find information on these clear sleeves and everything. The notebooks are from Dollar Tree, but I haven't found them in years. I'm actually running low on my notebooks now because I stocked up when they did have them. So I haven't found the 4x6 notebooks in forever, but the clear things are from clearbags.com, but check out Lyric Lover Crafts for a direct link to those. And the elastic is from Etsy, which I believe Amber from Lyric Lover Crafts also has a link for that in her video. And that's everything, guys. And in case somebody asks me about my charms, I literally get these from everywhere, literally all over the place. In stores, online, like there's not just one place. A mix of like all of these here is probably 4 different places that I got these. So just kind of anywhere you could find charms, that's kind of like what I do, where I get mine. But that is everything, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this other project that I made for the Country Craft Creations design team. I love this collection. It just, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I love how this turned out so much. I love nautical. So thank you guys so much for watching. Check out Country Craft Creations in case you guys want to get this paper. And that is everything. So I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.